How do you pronounce the name of this bacteria responsible for a disease and infection? Shigella. Let's break down the pronunciation. Shigella. 3 syllables. Stress on the second ge syllable. Shigella. How do you pronounce the name of this bacteria responsible for a disease and infection? Shigella. Let's break down the pronunciation. Shigella. 3 syllables. Stress on the second ge syllable. Shigella. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.